Well, hello again, Cyberland. My name's Marlon. The channel is Old Fart Hacks, and we're continuing looking at this little cheap Chinese XY table. I've already got the one axis. I guess you'd call it the X, who knows. Don't really care. This could actually, well, anyway. But then the bottom axis is pretty good now. I've got it to where it's runs smoothly without a lot of wiggle in it. It's got maybe about 4 or 5 thousandths wiggle at worst. The top, on the other hand, well, it's still got some problems. With the gibs more or less snug, it's not too bad there. But once you run it over here, it locks up completely. When you loosen the gib enough for that to slide, and that's all the further you need it to slide, by the way, because at this point, yeah, this is the end that has the control on it. So we don't need it to go any further than that, but at this point, it's tight. And yet when I slide that back over here, well, as you can see in here, there's a lot of movement. So this is going to be a matter of, again, fitting up the ways here and also working on one of the key components in these, and that's the gib. Mind you, the gibs in these things are nothing more than just a rusty, junky piece of steel. I've already cleaned up the one on the bottom level. This one's the next process. This, again, will take a while. Notice how, for instance, the wear points here, because as they drilled in, they drilled a little far. The screw goes all the way through. It just junk. You know, Chinese junk. Hang up sails, go sailing. The ways themselves are a little coarse. They need some fitting up and smoothing. I do like the rebated section here, though. That's helpful. And then, of course, as you can tell, or maybe not tell, the machining on here is just coarse as all heck. So it's a matter of chasing out where the coarseness is, where the bumps are. I mean, there's a clear little line to my eye that I can see. In fact, you can see it on the video right there. And that's part of the problem. These things are just not well machined. The undersurfaces are rough. It's a matter of polishing up this surface, these two sets of surfaces, and making sure that this surface is not binding up in the bottom of the groove. For that, I'll be doing what I did with the previous section. I'll be using a hacksaw to cut this V shape here, because it's a sharp V, as you can see right here and right here. I'll be cutting with a hacksaw into it to give a relief angle on both sides there. So that's what we're going to be doing with this one. Such fun. And I think what I'm going to do first is I'm going to go ahead and work up this. I'll do a little preliminary work on this. I'll do a little preliminary work on that. We'll see where the fitting's gotten us to, and I'll bring you back on the next video. But this is the process of fitting these up. Clean up these surfaces, smooth them up, make them so that they don't bind on each other. And then once you get that done, and make sure that the real trick is getting them square to each other. There's inevitably some taper in these things as well, and that's something you have to work through. So anyway, that's where we're going with this. If you guys find these videos useful, if you like them, please give me a like, and I'd love it if you gave me a subscribe. I would be surprised with a subscribe. Anyway, I hope you guys have a good evening, morning, afternoon, whatever your time may be, and may it all be good. Bye.